The next one is answer question number 76. The partners of a firm distributed the profit in the year ended 31st 12 2014 90,000 in the ratio of 3:2:1 without providing for the following adjustment. So we have to prepare two profit and loss account. One with consideration of this all four adjustments, and the second wrong profit which has been distributed in the ratio of 3:2:1, and then we will make an statement showing adjustment and next the journal entries. So first of all we have to prepare a profit and loss adjustment account. This is answer 76. So this is correct profit and loss account. Working note first. Working notes. Correct profit and loss account for the year ended for the year 31st March 2014. Debit, credit. This is the basic format of a profit and loss account, and after that we will have to see, we have to prepare a correct profit and loss account and no wrong profit and loss account is required. Particulars rupees, particulars rupees, by net profit brought down, by net profit brought down 90,000. A's salary, to salary A and B both are getting salary of 1500 per month. Read the question carefully and start. To salary for A and B both are 1500 each, rupees 1500 for A and rupees 1500 for B. This is 3000. Then to commission of B is 4500. Straight away given to commission of B, it is 4500. And then profit, the last part is then profit, which is to be transferred in this way to profit A, B, C. First find out the profit and then distribute. This is 90,000 minus everything. $90,000 minus these two is equal to 82,500. Which is equal to A is to B is to C, A is to B is to C is equal to 3 is to 2 3:3:2. So distribute this 82,500 among ABC as rupees 30,937.5 for A, B is 30,937.5, and for C it is 20,625.00. Now the deficiency which A should get, A's share of profit should be not less than rupees 35,000 as given in the question. It should be 35,000. 35,000 means he has a shortage of 4,062. So he will be getting 4,062 rupees 50 paise. And this money is to be borne by B and C in the absence of any information in the ratio of 3:2, as these two, you see, these two, 3:2. This is 2437, 2437.50 for A, and that B and C will bear 1,000 rupees 1,625, which is like this: 35,000, 28,500 for B, and for C this is 19,000. This is 19,000. Now we have to prepare a statement showing adjustment. Fair notes. In the fair notes we have to prepare a statement showing adjustment. Statement showing adjustment. There are three partners, A, B and C. This is particulars. A, B, C farm, debit, credit, debit, credit. Credit, and rupees for everything. Every column should bear the symbol of rupees. This is wrong profit. We have distributed the wrong profit in this ratio. Wrong profit already taken by the partners means debit in the ratio of 90,000 and in the ratio of 3:2:1. 45,000 for A, 30,000 for B, 15,000 for C. This is all amounting to rupees 90,000 credit. Then salary, 1500 for A and B both credit. 1500 for A, 1500 for B. For farm this is debit 3,000, and commission for B only and nothing for C. Commission for B only, that is 4,500. Sorry, that is 4,500. For farm it is debit 4,500. and correct net profit. Correct net profit. Correct net profit as I have shown or calculated just above. This is 35,000 for A, 28,500 for B, and for C this is 19,000, and for farm it is 82,500. Then you just total all this and find out the net effect. This is total and net effect. This is 45,000, 36,500, 30,000, 34,500, 15,000, 19,000, 90,000, 90,000. And your net effect will be 8,500 for A, debit. For B it is 4,500. For C it is 4,000, and all other columns are nil. Now we have to pass in the fair note one adjusting entry. Fair notes, journal entry, journal entry. Date, particulars, ledger folio, debit rupees and credit rupees. (2011) 31st March. 31st March 2011. This is A's capital account debited. A's capital account debited to B's capital account to C's capital account. To B's capital account to C's capital account. $8,500, $4,500 and 4,000. This is being correct profit and wrong profit rectified. Being rectification, entry passed, then total the journals. 8,500 and 8,500.